City, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Joy De Arroyo. I am 49 years old. I am born January 9, 1977, and I live here in Manila, Quezon City. I have one son, age 28, and two daughters, age 26 and 23. I have work experience in Malaysia for 7 years. I serving for people. I do taking care of 11 months old boy and newborn baby. I do houseworks, cleaning, car washing, cooking, iron clothes, and I have also experience in Saudi Arabia. I am serving in 4 person. I taking care of baby in 7 months girl and newborn baby boy. I have also worked household. I am cooking. I have do cleaning, everything, and I am priority to look after the baby. Ma'am and sir, please hire me. I am trustworthy. I am honest and hardworking. I love your children as my own, and I taking care of your family as well. Thank you and have a nice day.